Step-by-step guide to compare files in Windows 11. Welcome. Learn to compare file versions to avoid confusion and accidental deletions. Method 1. Notepad++. Free. Download and install Notepad++. Open both files in separate tabs. Install Compare plugin. Plugins, Plugin Manager, search Compare, install. Compare files, plugins, compare. Method 2. WinMerge, free. Download and install WinMerge. Open files. File. Open left file. Select first file. File. Open right file. Select second file. Compare and highlight changes. Method 3. Beyond Compare, paid. Download and install Beyond Compare. Open Compare. Dialog. File. Compare files. Select and compare files. Method 4. KDiff3, free. Download and install KDiff3. Specify file paths. Enter paths in A and B and C for a third file. Compare files. Use these tools to efficiently compare and manage file versions.